Hello everyone, how you guys doing today? Welcome to the new week. It's another day. We are in November. Can you believe that? Oh my Lord. If today is your first time stopping into this channel, you are welcome, welcome, welcome. You will not regret stopping by here today. For all my subscribers who have been coming back week after week to spend a little time with me, thank you guys for coming back. I love you like always. Today, let's get our wine thing started before we forget. Okay, this is every weekend. I promise we're gonna be having a glass of wine, glass of juice, a glass of champagne, a glass of water, whatever, a cup of tea. So just sit back, relax, enjoy these 10 minutes with me. It doesn't cause any harm. We're here to learn. We're here to encourage each other. So I just want to cheers to you guys for your support. Cheers to you guys for your love. I love you guys so much. You just don't understand. You guys have made me this wonderful family, and we are growing by the day. This train is just moving. My goodness, non-stop, ladies. Cheers to you. I love you, okay? I'll see you guys. Okay, today before we get started, you're gonna be seeing me going back and forth with my big afro hair. Excuse me, ladies. Last time I made a video about this product, Macari Bebe, and I've been getting questions about this particular container. You see that is different from the one I made last time. People who bought, some of them, my friend, but she returned hers because she thought it was fake. It wasn't the same one that I showed on my video. So she told me on Sunday in church. I was laughing at her like crazy. So I told her, you should have called me. You have my number. She's like, oh, I didn't think about it. So she returned it back. So I told her this is the right one. I had to go ahead and order. When I ordered this one, excuse me, it came. And I looked at it, I was like, this is not the same one I've used to. I've been using this product on my kids for 10 years. How come all of a sudden I got this? So I quickly emailed the company where I order all my products from. And they told me, yes, they have changed the container. I was like, okay, good. So I quickly had to like address this so you guys will know. So if you order anything from Macari and it comes looking like this, the Macari Bebe, I don't know about the other Macari, but this is the one I'm talking about, the Macari Bebe, it will look like this. Okay, I just wanted to clarify that with you guys today because I've been getting some messages. Okay, ladies. All right, now that we got this out of the way, today I want to talk to you guys about vitamin C. You see that? It's vitamin C powder. This is how it looks like on the inside. It's crystal. See that? I bought it. I've been using it. Feels like salt. It has that little sand thing kind of like looking. So I've been using this thing for 3 weeks now, and I love the result I'm seeing on my skin. My skin is like getting brighter by the day. I'm using my product, my lotion once a day now, you know, only at nighttime. And I take my vitamin in the morning. I would take it with a glass of water. I'll take 1 scoop, pour it in a 8 ounce or 4 ounce glass of water. You can mix this with juice or water, and just take it in the morning, 30 minutes before you have breakfast, or at nighttime, 2 hours after you have your dinner. This is when you can take this product. I use this product in 3 different ways. I use it as with water. I also use it to make my face mask. Yes, I know. And I also mix it on my lotion. Yes, I'm going to explain, ladies. Now, the water, let's get the water one first. What I would do is, sorry I'm going back and forth because I have my little table here where I kept my cup, my little baby cup. And I have my bottle of water. I'm going to pour my water in here so you guys can see. I'll close it. And then I'm going to scoop 1 scoop of my vitamin C. Dump it in there. Shake it very well. You know, make sure it's completely mixed very well. And then I'm just going to drink. Cheers, ladies. Now, I'll like take water after that. Once you get that done, after 30 minutes, you will feel, if you're taking it for the first time, your tummy will start like grumbling. It will just start grumbling, and all of a sudden you feel like you're going to go to the bathroom. The first time I took it, that's what happened. But since after that, I'm like, okay, I've never had any other experience after that. Now, the second part is, I'll have to make a video to explain this to you guys. I will, even if I don't make a video, but I can still explain it for you to understand. But I'm going to make, I promise you I'll make a video tomorrow on this. I'll upload it tomorrow also. You would take a scoop of the vitamin C, put it in a little bowl, whatever you use to mix your face mask. You would take 1 scoop of honey, 1 teaspoon of honey, put it together, and then just mix it until it dissolves and just apply it on your face. Leave it for like 30 minutes and wash off your face. My dear, if you do this 3 to 4 times a week, you will not believe your skin. Do you see my skin? I have no makeup on. You see that I have like nothing. So you can see my face. I have no makeup on. All I did was just draw my eyebrow and put my chapstick on. That was it. My face is so bright and I love it. This is really good. Now, the third part is I will put 2 scoops, 2 teaspoons of this vitamin C. I will mix it in my lotion. Yes, I said lotion, or your body lotion. It can be your body moisturizer. It can be your lightening product. It will help for any product you're using not to react on your skin. Do you understand me? I didn't know this before I used a product that reacted to my skin. When I discovered this, I went and I took it and I put it in the same product that I used before. I had to stop using my lotion that I'm using now to try this. I went and took that product that I was using before and add 2 scoops of this, and I used it for 2 weeks. Nothing happened. So I wanted to let you guys know about this. So don't be afraid. If you have any product that you buy, just even if it's a product that you have not reacted to, just add this vitamin C inside that product, inside your lotion, and just use it. You will love your skin. It will just even your skin tone. It will give you that glow. Your skin will be shining. I promise you that. Now, that's it for today, other than tomorrow that we're going to make the video. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Share this video with friends. Like this video. Give this video a huge thumbs up. You guys have been doing such a great job sending me questions and leaving your comments. I love you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. I wish I can just sit here and talk to you all night, but I can't. I have to go so I can go put my babies to bed. Okay, I will see you guys again very, 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 very soon. I love you. I wish I can sing. I'll be singing for you guys, but I don't know how. Someone needs to teach me how to sing, okay, ladies? All right, I will talk to you guys soon. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm talking too much. Please don't forget to subscribe. I am begging you, subscribe. Share this video with friends. Just share the information. You don't know who you might be passing this information to. Any little information, any little thing can go a long way. You understand? We are into this skincare journey together. We are here to grow, to encourage each other, okay? Don't forget, subscribe. Love you. Until I'll see you again tomorrow morning for your video, okay? Bye.